just up on the top on our website, jazzit.com, there is a shortcut right to our YouTube channel. So you see this little play button here. If you click on that, it takes you right to our YouTube channel. I just happen to have it open right here. So our YouTube channel is My Jazzit. Subscribe, like, notify, hit the bell. Hey, we have 220 subscribers. We're kicking it. Okay, so normally I'm here. What we've added is something very important here. We have organized all our gazillion videos now into playlists. And there's two playlists I want to bring to your attention right away. The first one is installing and updating. This playlist, so if you're in it, thank you, David. Okay, so in here, this playlist is good for administrators who are looking to get Jazzit installed or doing any updates. That's a very useful playlist. The other playlist, I mean, they're all great, but I want to just mention these two. Installing and updating. The one at the bottom here, Introduction to Jazzit for New Users. This playlist is great because it has not only, how to use our templates, it has a lot of tips and tricks for caseware, things that we typically would cover, say, in an introduction to Jazzit. So things like your recycle bin, rounding, there's a lot of great topics in here. And in this play set as well, we have a video here specifically adopting to CSRS 4200 in financial statements. So we're still getting people asking us, did you include the new standard? Yes, we've had it in there for a while. And yes, there is even a video talking specifically about 4200, okay? Now, if I didn't know which playlist to look for here, another thing you can do is if you just click on this search button, not the one at the top, but this one right here, just to the right of about. If you type in CSRS, okay, this is just searching only our channel. So you're not gonna get material from other YouTube channels. Very useful, and then I could see that there is a video on it, and I can even see which playlist this video is in. In this case, it's Introduction to Jazzit for New Users. So very useful just to be able to do that.